If you think your tiny balcony or small yard can't be a garden, think again. Today, we'll show you how to turn every inch, window ledge, balcony, or patch of yard into a lush, productive oasis. This isn't just about pots, it's a mindset shift. We'll get creative, do a little building, and prove you don't need a farm to be a gardener. Grab your gloves. Let's dive into urban gardening and small space tips. Ever feel boxed in by your tiny space? Think again. Vertical gardening is your ticket to a lush green paradise, no matter how cramped your balcony or patio. Let's flip the script on gardening and look up. Get ready to transform bare walls and forgotten corners into vibrant, living masterpieces. The sky's the limit. Imagine your plants as skyscrapers, reaching for the clouds. We're borrowing a page from city skylines and building gardens that soar. Why settle for flat when you can go vertical? Instead of spreading out and gobbling up precious ground, we stack, layer, and climb, multiplying your growing space without using a single extra inch. It's all about smart moves and making every bit of your home work for you. Meet your new best friends, trellises and vertical planters. These clever structures give your plants the boost they need to reach new heights. Literally. Ready to watch your garden rise? Just lean a trellis against a wall or fence, easy as pie. Instantly, you've created a vertical playground for your plants to explore. Now let pole beans and vining tomatoes take center stage. Watch as they twist, climb, and weave their way up, turning your space into a living, breathing tapestry of green. The result? A lush, edible curtain that transforms boring walls into works of art and puts fresh, homegrown produce right at your fingertips. Who knew your wall could taste this good? Stackable planters are total game changers. Mix, match, and build your own vertical garden masterpiece, customized just for you. Picture a 5-tiered tower bursting with life, stretching toward the sun. Every level is packed with color, flavor, and possibility. All that magic in just 1 square foot. 5 times the planting power, 0 wasted space. That's vertical gardening genius. Even in the tiniest nook, you can grow a full herb garden. No space? No problem, just go up. Imagine snipping fresh basil, grabbing fragrant parsley, or plucking aromatic thyme, right from your own vertical oasis. Add in zesty chives and bold oregano, and you've got a chef's dream, always within arm's reach. All of this packed into a single pot. Fresh herbs year-round with 0 hassle. That's convenience and flavor all in one. When you're picking plants, go for climbers. Pole beans, peas, and more. They'll race to the top and fill your garden with life. Try cucumbers or the super cool Malabar spinach for a twist. Your vertical garden will be the talk of the block. These climbers shoot for the sky, giving you more harvest and freeing up precious floor space below. Double the bounty, half the clutter. But wait, vertical gardens aren't just smart, they're stunning. Who says practical can't be beautiful? These living walls add instant elegance and a splash of nature to any space. Your home just got a major style upgrade. Use them as privacy screens and create your own secret garden hideaway, even in the heart of the city. Or cover up drab, boring walls with a burst of green. Instantly, your space goes from blah to breathtaking. Step onto your balcony and be surrounded by a living wall. Lush, colorful, and full of life. It's your own slice of paradise. Picture yourself snipping fresh mint for tea or checking on your climbing cucumbers. Your garden, your rules, or just kick back and soak in your personal green retreat. A peaceful escape from the daily grind. Ready to start? First, spot your vertical potential. Scan your space. What can you use? Walls, fences, railings, even tall plant stands are fair game. Is there a sunny wall begging for green? A sturdy railing waiting for planters? Maybe a tall stand just itching for a makeover? The possibilities are endless. See that empty air above your feet? That's not wasted space. It's your new garden just waiting to happen. Claim it. Next up, let's get creative and build a vertical planter from scratch. You'll have the skills and know-how to craft your own custom green wall. No experience needed. So roll up those sleeves and dive in. Your vertical garden adventure starts now. Ready to build your own vertical planter? Let's jump right in and turn old rain gutters into a space-saving garden. First, gather your gutters, new or recycled. Just make sure they're clean. You'll also need end caps, a drill, screws, and a sturdy wall or fence. Drill drainage holes every 6 to 8 inches along the bottom of each gutter. This keeps your plant's roots healthy and prevents soggy soil. Attach end caps to both sides. For extra leak protection, seal the edges with silicone. Mount the gutters on your wall or fence, one above the other about a foot apart. Make sure everything is secure and level. Fill each gutter with lightweight potting mix, not garden soil. Plant shallow-rooted herbs, greens, or even strawberries. Water from the top and let it trickle down. Check soil moisture often. Gutter gardens dry out quickly. That's it! In just a few steps, you've built a custom vertical planter. Perfect for small spaces and big harvests. No balcony or patio, no sprawling garden space? No problem. Even if you're tight on space, you can still cultivate your own little green haven. A sunny window, that's all you need to unlock the potential for a thriving windowsill garden. It's amazing what you can grow with just a little bit of light and care. Harness the power of sunlight to grow a variety of fresh herbs right at your fingertips. Basil, the cornerstone of Italian cuisine, mint, refreshing and versatile, cilantro, a zesty addition to any dish, parsley, a culinary staple, right where you cook. Imagine the convenience of having fresh ingredients just an arm's reach away. All you need are small pots with drainage holes to ensure proper water flow and healthy roots. Terracotta pots are a great option as they allow the soil to breathe, and a tray to catch any excess water, protecting your windowsill from moisture damage. This will also help maintain humidity around your plants. Start from seeds, nurturing them from tiny sprouts to fragrant herbs. It's a rewarding experience to watch them grow. Or buy starter plants for a quicker start to your indoor garden. Many nurseries offer a wide variety of herbs ready to be transplanted. Even grocery store herbs, often sold in small containers, can be potted up and kept growing with a little care and attention. Use quality potting mix, providing your herbs with the nutrients they need to thrive. Avoid using garden soil, as it can be too heavy for containers. Water well, ensuring the soil is evenly moist but not waterlogged. Proper watering is crucial for healthy growth, and place in a window with at least 4 to 6 hours of sunlight each day. Sunlight is the fuel that powers your herb garden. South-facing windows are best, offering the most intense sunlight throughout the day. But east or west can work too, providing ample light during the morning or afternoon hours. Water when the top inch of soil is dry to the touch. This prevents overwatering, which can lead to root rot. The more you harvest, the bushier your herbs get, encouraging new growth and maximizing your yield. Regular pruning is key. Imagine snipping fresh oregano for pizza, adding an authentic Italian flavor to your homemade creation. Or mint for tea, a soothing and aromatic addition to your daily ritual. Flavor and satisfaction, right at your fingertips. It's a simple pleasure that elevates everyday meals. Try microgreens for a quick, nutrient-packed harvest, a superfood boost in a tiny package, ready in just a week or two. They're incredibly easy to grow and add a vibrant touch to salads and sandwiches. Regrow green onions by placing the white ends in water, a sustainable and cost-effective way to have fresh scallions on hand. They'll sprout again like magic, providing you with a continuous supply of fresh greens. Even the smallest window can be transformed into a mini farm, a testament to the power of micro-gardening. Fresh, fast, and fun. So embrace the joy of growing your own food, no matter how small your space may be. Don't forget the space above your head. Hanging baskets are perfect for small space gardening. Traditionally for flowers, they're also great for edibles like cherry tomatoes, peppers, and herbs. Use tumbling tomato varieties for a cascade of fruit or mini peppers for color and flavor. Choose baskets at least 12 inches wide with good drainage and a liner like coco coir or moss. Hanging baskets dry out quickly, water thoroughly and often, especially in hot weather. Add water-retaining crystals to your soil for extra moisture control. Herbs like trailing rosemary, thyme, oregano, and mint thrive in baskets. Mix in loose-leaf lettuces for a hanging salad bowl. Combine edibles with flowers. Marigolds deter pests. Alyssum attracts pollinators, and it all looks beautiful. Hang baskets from eaves, pergolas, or sturdy branches to add layers and volume to your garden. Floating gardens transform your space, making it feel bigger and more vibrant. For busy gardeners, combine smart organization with easy care plants. Tiered plant stands let you group plants by sun and water needs, maximizing efficiency in a small footprint. Place sun lovers on top, shade-tolerant plants below, and group thirsty plants together for easy care. Meet the ultimate low-maintenance plants, succulents, and cacti. They store water, thrive on neglect, and come in endless shapes. Water only when soil is completely dry, sometimes just once a month. Fill your sunniest spot with a mix of cacti, echeverias, trailing string of pearls, and tough snake plants. Create a sculptural, modern display that's beautiful and nearly effortless. Choose plants that fit your lifestyle. Better a thriving, easy-care garden than a struggling one. Smart stacking and the right plant choices set you up for success in a green space that's a joy, not a chore. There you have it, gutter gardens, a clever solution. Trellises offer vertical support, and hanging baskets, a delightful touch. And don't forget windowsill farms. Small space gardening is indeed possible. It's fun and absolutely beautiful. Every space really can be a garden. All it takes is a little creativity and these hacks. Start small, experiment often, and share all of your successes with us. Use #urban and also #small space gardening. Thanks for joining me here at Rhokins Homestead. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for even more tips. Let's grow together, everyone. Happy gardening.